how to stop selfies from auto-reversing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the camera option you see there. And further, go ahead and enable the mirror front camera toggle button, and with this the images will no longer flip on its own after a selfie is taken, and it will appear on your camera roll just as how it appears on the camera while taking the selfie and will not flip on its own later. So this is how you can stop selfies from auto-reversing on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.